This microcredential deals with plant anatomy and physiology and consists of 5 targeted skills. This targeted skill deals with plant development and hormones. Plant hormones send chemical signals through a plant to respond to specific stimuli. In order for plants to respond to their environment, cells must be able to communicate with each other. Hormones send these signals between the cells that activate them to respond to specific messages. There are 5 different types of plant hormones that are involved in the main responses of plants. They are ethylene, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, and auxins. Some promote growth while others inhibit it. The hormone ethylene serves 2 main purposes. It helps to ripen fruit, such as bananas, that turn from green to yellow. It can also cause abscission, that is, the dropping of leaves, fruits, and flowers from plants when blooms have finished blooming or fruits are ready to be eaten. Making ethylene is an indispensable agent in plant biology. When flower petals have fully opened or fruits have formed and are ready for consumption, ethylene causes certain parts to drop from the plant. Ethylene gas is an unconventional plant hormone because it moves freely through the air and can affect other ripening fruits in its proximity. A ripe apple can cause another apple to ripen prematurely. Some farmers and gardeners spray green peppers, for example, with ethylene gas in order to accelerate their ripening and turn them red quickly. Gibberellins are plant hormones that stimulate their growth. When applied by scientists or gardeners, stems lengthen rapidly to increase the growth rates of certain plants. It's been noted that dwarf plants often have low levels of gibberellins. Another function of gibberellins is to break the dormancy of seeds and buds, signaling them when to germinate and sprout, or for the bud to open. Cytokinins are hormones that stimulate plant cells to divide. They were first discovered during attempts at artificially growing plant tissue. Cytokinins have since been shown to prevent plant tissue from senescence, that is, plant aging and degradation. Florists often apply cytokinin directly onto cut flower stems or their water source so that they do not age or die off prematurely. Abscisic acid actually serves to close stomata, the leaf openings that allow substances to enter and exit leaves. It can also close stomata to maintain dormancy when water-stressed. Abscisic acid sends signals when conditions are unfavorable for seed germination, telling dormant seeds and buds of plants to remain dormant. Once conditions improve, levels of abscisic acid decrease, while gibberellin levels increase, signaling it is time for seed dormancy to end and germination to begin. Auxins are hormones that also play an essential role in plant development. Auxins produced at the tip of a plant play a significant role in apical dominance. That is, when one central stem grows more strongly than other offshoots and branches. When the central stem is removed, auxins are no longer present and side branches start growing again. Auxins also play an integral part in tropisms and react to stimuli in their environment. An example is when auxin causes the cells on one side of a plant to bend toward the light. Ethylene, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, and auxins are the 5 different plant hormones. Each hormone's chemical signal controls different processes of the plant to help it function best in its environment.